In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dance in League of Legends. If you've ever wanted your champion to show a little personality between fights, this is one of the simplest and most fun things you can do. We'll keep it straightforward and make sure you know exactly how to make it happen every time. First, you need to be inside an actual game. The easiest place to practice is a custom environment like the practice tool, because there's no pressure, no timers you're worried about, and no teammates depending on you. The key point is that this won't work from the client or champion select. Your champion has to be on the map in a running game. Once you're in, there are two equally valid ways to trigger the dance. The quickest method is using a keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl+3. Hold Ctrl and tap the number 3 key, and your champion will immediately break into their unique dance animation. Every champion has a different dance, and some even have special interactions when certain skins or pairs of champions are together. The dance will keep going until you give your champion another command, like moving, attacking, or casting an ability. If you prefer typing, you can do the same thing through the chat. Open the chat box and type a / followed by the word dance, so /dance, and your champion will start dancing just the same. It doesn't matter whether the message would go to team or all chat, because the command is interpreted before it's sent as a message. You're not chatting with your teammates, you're simply telling the game to play the dance animation. Both methods are interchangeable, so use whichever feels most comfortable. If you try it and nothing happens, double check that you're actually in-game and that you type the command correctly with the / at the start. Also remember that any new action you give your champion will cancel the dance, so if you move or cast, the animation will stop. That's normal behavior. A quick tip on timing and etiquette. Dancing is purely cosmetic and doesn't give you any gameplay advantage, so it's best enjoyed when you're safe, after a successful play, while recalling in a safe spot, or when you're waiting for minions to arrive. It's a fun way to celebrate moments and show a bit of style without distracting from the match, and that's all there is to it. Jump into a game and either press Ctrl+3 or type /dance in the chat to get your champion moving. Have fun, stay safe on the Rift, and enjoy the show.